Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna test how many noise each of my compressor do. A lot of people tell me the small compressor like this one, it's really noisy. It's a monocylinder, of course it make probably more noise than the other. The second one was a V-twin. It's a 6 CFM at 100 psi. In running in 120 volts. The last one was my big 60-gallon compressor. This one is rated 9.5 CFM at 90 psi. So what I think, it's the more decibel I'm gonna get, it's the small CampbellHausfeld monocylinder. I think the second one gonna be the big 60 gallon, and the third, the less noisy, gonna be the V-twin, I think. So let's do this. What I'm gonna do, it's do a test with this meter. So I'm gonna have a meter along from the compressor pump. I'm gonna do this for each compressor. And after that, I'm gonna do a test at 3 meters. So here. So currently, in my garage, as you can see when I talk, it's raised a lot, but it's 45 dB. So let's do this. Okay, so the more quiet compressor of the three was the V-twin with 89 dB. Second one was the monocylinder with 91.5 dB. And the third one was the 60 gallon with 92.5 dB. So the V-twin, it's the winner of the dB competition. So let's try this at 3 meters now. Okay, so basically at 3 meters the 3 compressor was almost equal. It's 86 dB for the 2 small one, and 87 dB for the 60 gallon. So basically it's almost the same dB at 3 meters for the 3 compressor. So is it for the comparison for the dB of each compressor. As you can see, people sell the monocylinder compressor made really more noise, and most of the time it's a good reason for a 2-cylinder compressor seller to tell you to not buy a monocylinder compressor, but it's do basically the same dB. So don't get fooled, and buy the good for you. So I hope you like this video. Comment if you like, and that's it for this video. See you soon. Peace.